Hello, and welcome to this third edition of machine design and machine shop operations. Today, I'd like to show you a trick. So I've got a piece of brass here, and then I've got a tool and a tool post. And what I want to do is I just want to say I've lost my DTI. Doesn't happen very often because it's under my lathe, but say that happened and I wanted to make this concentric, and I didn't want it to be like this because, as you can see, it's pretty bad. So I'm going to show you how to do that, how to make this concentric within the chuck without a DTI. And it's fairly simple. You just put any kind of tool in the tool post, and then you just wind it up. I don't know, probably about there will do, and I'll just so there's a gap in between the piece of material and the tool. And then what you want to do is you want to bring it in slowly. Until it nearly touches when the material comes around to this tip of the tool. And what you're going to do is you're going to then spin it about 180 degrees, and then you'll see a gap. What you want to do is you want to close that gap. So obviously you just use the standard method of well, this is a 4-job independent chuck, so it's just standard. I'm not going to do anything else. So I wait. So look at the biggest gap. Then I just do what I usually do. Do that. And as you can see, it's already gotten better. And you can't get it, it's not going to be that accurate. It's going to be, I don't know, maybe you can get it within 10 thou if you're lucky. 10 thou run out without the DTI, but it's just a method of getting your piece of work concentric if you don't know where your DTI is. And obviously if you don't have very much to take off the diameter, then you wouldn't do this, because then you might screw the whole thing up. But I mean, it's one of these things you can, a lot of you will probably know about this. A lot of you will probably have figured out this trick long ago. Then you just move in the tool, so the gap gets smaller and smaller and smaller there. And that'll do. So that's it. As you can see, it's running a lot better now. I just want to mention one more thing. I don't make videos very often. I'm sorry if any of you expected me to be making videos once a week or whatever. I mean, I'm sorry, that's just not going to happen. I'll upload every once in a while. Obviously it is desirable to upload once a week or more, maybe 2 or 3 times a week if you want your YouTube channel to grow, but this content here is just supplementary to my Instagram channel. I'm not trying to grow a massive YouTube following. Yeah, and that's all I have to say. So